Good morning, all of you. Today we will perform the test on cement, standard consistency of cement. Consistency. What is consistency? A certain minimum quantity of water is required to prepare a cement paste to complete the chemical reaction between cement and water. To determine the standard consistency of cement, we use Vickers apparatus. This is the Vickers apparatus. This is the Vickers mold having the top diameter 80 mm and the height of this mold is 40 mm. So you can see the readings on this scale of Vickers apparatus is also varying from 0 to 40 mm. So this is the scale on the Vickers apparatus varying from 0 at the bottom to 40 mm. This is the Vickers plunger having a length of 50 mm and the diameter of this plunger is 10 mm. The Vickers plunger is placed on the Vickers apparatus at the bottom side. Standard consistency is also known as normal consistency, is defined as that consistency which permits the Vickers plunger to penetrate 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the Vickers mold. It is expressed as the amount of water required for the mix. The knowledge of standard consistency is important test to be performed on cement because based on the quantity of water required from this test, certain percentage of water has to be taken for the further test on cement like initial and final setting time of cement, compressive strength of cement and the soundness of cement. For the standard consistency test, this is the cement sample we are going to use. So OPC for 43 grade of cement. For this we will take to fill this mold of Vickers mold, we require 400 grams of cement sample. So we will weigh 400 grams of cement sample. So we have taken 400 grams of cement sample. So we will keep it side and we will take the water. Now initially we will start it from 28% of water. So water 28% of the cement sample. So 28 multiplied by 400 divided by 100. So we will get 112 grams of water. We will take the weight of water 28% of the dry cement sample of 400 gram. So initially please check that your weighing machine is showing the zero sign. Take 112 grams of water by weight. So we have taken 112 grams of water. So we have taken the cement sample. We have to carry out the mixing of cement with water to prepare a cement paste on a non-porous surface. So cement 400 gram sample we have taken. This is a water of 112 gram with respect to 28%. We will mix it. So make a small depression in the cement sample at the center and mix the sample with water very slowly. Please take care while mixing that water should not run away from the cement sample. So mix the water with the cement to prepare a uniform cement paste. After preparing this uniform cement paste, place this cement paste into the Vickers apparatus. Check that the Vickers apparatus has to be placed on a non-porous plate. We have used here the ceramic tile. We can use a glass plate also. Place the cement paste properly in layers and remove the air bubbles, compact it properly and fill the mold with the cement sample. strike off the excess of cement paste from the top of the Vickers mold. Remove the air bubbles by shaking the mold very smoothly. And strike off the excess cement paste from the top. So we have completely filled the Vickers mold with the cement paste. Then we will place this Vickers mold under the Vickers plunger. So we have placed the cement paste in the Vickers mold under the Vickers apparatus, and we will see the penetration of the plunger. So we will release this knob, we mark it to the 40, and we will release the plunger smoothly over the cement paste, and we will check the reading when this plunger gets separated. So the reading comes out to be from bottom. So from bottom, how much is the penetration of the plunger? The penetration of the plunger from bottom is 30 mm. So the standard consistency is the consistency when the Vickers plunger penetrates 5 to 7 mm from the bottom. That indicates that 28% water which we have taken to prepare the cement paste is not sufficient. So we will change the percentage of water and we will vary it to 30-31 so that we get a penetration of the plunger 5 to 7 mm. Further, we have again taken 400 gram of sample, and now we have added 31% of the weight of the dry cement sample. So it comes out about 124 grams of water. We have weighted it and we have prepared the cement paste. We have filled that cement paste in the Vickers mold, and again we will carry out the test for the penetration. So the Vickers plunger penetration, we will measure how much is the penetration corresponding to 31% of water. So the penetration comes out to be 7 mm for 31% of water we have taken to prepare this cement mix. This indicates that 31% is the standard consistency of this cement paste. The 31% standard consistency will be further used to carry out the other test on the cement. As per IS 4031, the standard consistency is obtained when the Vickers plunger penetrates 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the Vickers mold. So for this cement sample, we obtained a standard consistency of 31%. So varying from the cement samples, the standard consistency also varies, but generally it comes around 30%.